Jim Freeman here. In this video, we'll focus on enhancing the aesthetics of your Colt 1911 by refining the lines around the trigger guard. These subtle details make a difference in the overall look of your custom 1911. We will go through the steps of perfecting these lines to give you a more polished custom look on your 1911. Unfortunately, on this frame, it looks like someone cut it out with their teeth. It doesn't look good. Let's go fix that. Come on. When marking your lines, make sure you use the same measurement on each side to give you a more symmetrical look. Now that we have taken a closer look at the details around the trigger guard, you can really appreciate the care it takes to get these lines just right. As you can see, with patience and the right tools, you can achieve a clean, crisp look around the trigger guard that enhances the look of your 1911. And there you have it, the finished product. I hope this video has given you some insight and tips on working on your 1911. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment for more firearms repair and customization tips. See you in the next one. For more tips, son of a bitch, to like, comment, and subscribe. For more firearm repair customization tips. Mother, to like, comment, and subscribe for more firearm repair and customization tips. Period. See you in the next one. Motherfucker.